Student, are you ready? I am going to explain some numericals related to exercise 22b. Question third. In the diagram given below, triangle ABC is right angle at B and BD is perpendicular to AC. Find cos DBC and second cot DBA. In right angle triangle ABC, BA given 12 centimeter, BC given 5 centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem, AC can be calculated AC equal to root 12 square plus 5 square root 169, that will be 13 centimeter. Now in figure, let angle AX. Therefore, then in triangle ABC, angle C will be equal, means BCD will become 90 minus X, and DB in triangle ADB, this X, this 90, D90 AX, then angle DBA equal to 90 minus X. This also 90 and C 90 minus X, therefore DBC equal to X. From this we can say angle DBC equal to DAB, angle BAC equal to X, angle DBA equal to angle BCD equal to 90 minus X. Therefore cos DBC may be written cos BAC, because both are equal to X, equal to base into hypotenuse, means BA by AC, that will be 12 by 30. Cot DBA may be written equal to cot BCA, that perpendicular upon base, that BCA base upon perpendicular, that cot, because this is cot, this BC by BA, that is 5 by 12 answer. Now question 10. If sin A plus cosec A equal to T in 2, find the value of sin square plus cosec square A. Solution of 10. Sin A plus cosec A equal to 2. Squaring both sides, sin A plus cosec A whole square equal to 2 square, sin square plus cosec square plus 2 sin A cos sec A equal to 4, sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A. In the place of cosec A we can write 1 by sin A cancel, equal to 4. Therefore sin square A plus cosec square A equal to 4 minus 2, sin square A plus cosec square equal to 2. This is answer of the question 10. Now come on the question 14 of the exercise 22b. Given 5 cos A minus 12 sin A equal to 0, evaluate sin A plus cos A upon 2 cos A minus sin A. From given sin A minus 5 cos A minus sin A equal to 0, from this we can write 5 cos A equal to 12 sin A, or sin A upon cos A equal to 5 by 12, that is tan A equal to 5 by 12, because sin A upon cos A equal to tan A. You may write 5x by 12x. Now draw a right angle ABC, right angle at B and A here AC that given 5x, BC 5x perpendicular upon base AB 12x, we can calculate Pythagoras theorem that AC equal to 13x. Now put the value of sin A plus cos A upon 2 cos A minus sin A. Sin A perpendicular upon hypotenuse 5x upon 13x. Cos A base upon hypotenuse that 12x upon 13x upon 2 into cos A 12x upon 13x minus 5x upon 13x. From this we will get 17x upon 13x upon 12x minus 5x upon 13x, 13x cancel, 17x upon 19x, that will be 17 by 19. Now come on the question 22. If sin A equal to cos A, find the value of 2 tan square A minus 2 sec square A plus 5. From this given here solution, sin A equal to cos A, from this sin A upon cos equal to 1 or tan equal to 1, or you may be write x by x. From this the triangle right angle triangle at B, ABC, then here tan is equal to 2 tan square A minus 2 sec square A plus 5, 2 tan A perpendicular upon base x by x minus 2 sec hypotenuse x root 2 upon x. This is x root 2 with the Pythagoras theorem of right angle triangle. This is square plus 5. Now 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 5, 2 plus 2 and plus 5, 7 minus 4, that is 3. Now question 30. If 5 cos theta equal to 6 tan theta, evaluate first tan theta, second 12 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 12 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Solution 30. 5 cos theta equal to 6 sin theta. You may write this sin theta by cos theta equal to 5 by 6, or you can say tan theta equal to 5 by 6. Draw a right angle triangle at this BCA. A considered theta. This 5x, you may write 6x. This 5x equal 6x. This will be root 61x. Root 61 into x. That means here by Pythagoras theorem. Now here this is the first and second one. First one answer tan theta equal to 5 by 6, and second one 12 sin theta, value of sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse 5x upon root 61x minus, first you write the question here 12, you write question sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 12 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Now here 12 into 5x upon root 61 into x plus minus 3 into base 6x upon hypotenuse 61 1x upon 12 into 5x upon root 61x plus 3 into 6x upon root 61x. This 60 by root 61 minus 18 upon root 61 upon 60 by root 61 plus 18 root 61. This become 42 by root 61 upon 78 by root 61. On solving 42 by 71, 17 by 13 answer. All of you solve the given question of this exercise. Let us the question. If any problem, you ask the question.